guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm folding laundry tonight while we do this. My camera is always dirty. That's better. If you're in my area, it was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Maybe I was still cold, but it was a very pretty day today. Tonight's business chat is why you should always have an open party in your name on your website. And this is huge. This is like big, okay? So we all get paid PRV, we all know that. And you get paid on every order that comes through your website or your workstation or whatever, you get paid. That's why we do this, we all want to get paid. Well, another perk of the business is earning half price and free items. And the way to do that is by having a party open in your name at all times. And the reason for that is okay, you have host Jill and you have host Sue, okay? They're both hosting a party. They're invited their friends to the party. Their friends are going to order from their party link. Benefits you with PRV, you get paid commission. Cool. But your neighbor is not friends with Jill, nor is she friends with Sue, but she wants to order something. So what do you do with it? Do you just stick it on, try not to make my clothes fall on y'all. Do you just stick it on one of those parties? No. I mean, you can. And I'll admit, in the beginning, that's what I used to do. I used to do that all the time. I would throw orders on people who were hosting's party, like my neighbors and stuff like that. I would throw it on their party, like to help them out. But what you do is you stick your neighbor's order on your personal party, and then as you keep getting more and more orders, you earn free and half off items. Why would you not want free and half off items? This is a great way to build up your inventory if you want to carry inventory. This is a great way to get supplies for samples. This is a great way to get host gifts if you want to do host gifts. This is a great way to get something that you've always wanted to try. This is a great way to stock up on your own personal items that you use on, a daily basis. But you want to do this. My goal, well, y'all can see my husband's underwear. My goal is to always have at least three $500 parties closed in my name every single month. And the reason for that is $500 is free shipping, but then I use, hey girl, I use that one party I use for my monthly boxes. Y'all wanted to know, like, how do you do those monthly boxes? How do you do those monthly boxes? I use one of those parties to get all of the stuff for those boxes. And it could be that one party is just the box stuff and then the rewards go to, help out. But still, I just today, the Easter collection, I closed a $500 party just on the Easter collection alone. Always have a party in your name open. Always, always, always. There's zero reason not to. You want free and half price items. It is like the little secret kick that you get back on top of your commission. Get your commission and you get free and half off items. So always have a party in your name open. As soon as you close one, open another one right away. Like, don't wait, because I swear to you, as soon as you close a party, somebody's gonna be like, hey, can I order something? Always happens, at least for me. And it happened today. I closed my Easter party, and I bet you within an hour I had somebody like, oh, can I place an order? And she was local, and I was like, dude, I just closed my local party. You're gonna have to pay shipping, or you're gonna have to wait, and it'll probably sold out. She's like, it's fine, I'll pay shipping. And what happened is that what I used to do in the past was I would be like, oh, I'm just gonna give them to my host. I'm just gonna give my host, help them get host rewards. And then something would come up like this Easter collection, and I didn't have a party to stick my orders on to get shipping to me for free. So I would only have like $100 worth of orders. And I'm like, crap, I'm going to charge everybody shipping, or I'm going to have to eat the shipping, because I was sticking all my orders on host parties. I hope that makes sense. And granted, it was helping my hosts, but it wasn't helping me. A matter of fact, it was kind of hurting me, because then I was paying for my customer shipping because I didn't have a party to stick it on, or they were having to wait longer. So as soon as you close a party in your name, open another one. It is not greedy. It's not weird. Who do you put on this? Put down anybody who's not invited to another party. If you've got hosts, if you've got 5 hosts, if somebody comes in, they're like, hey, I need to order, and they're not from any of those parties, then guess what? It's yours. You put it on your party, okay? Now, a downfall with this, though, is consultant support will not move an order. Like, if somebody goes and places an order and it does not attach to a party, and they will never attach it to a party in your name. It sucks, but here's my thought. Free and half priced items are just like a little extra perk. The commission is why you do this. So if they don't move it, they don't move it. I still get PRV, no big deal. Like, that's how I look at it. In the beginning, I get it. It's frustrating because you're like, oh, I just want my free and half price items. But you've got to think of it in the grand scheme of things. At least you got an order, and at least you're getting PRV on it. The free and half price is that extra little secret perk that you get on top of your commission. Commission is number 1, free and half price is number 2. So that's like the only downfall, is they won't attach a party if you're the host. You can keep a party open for 90 days. So if you want to wait until you have 500 in orders, then that's totally fine. Do that. You can keep it open for 90 days, but the system will cancel it out regardless if you have orders or rewards in it or anything like that. They will cancel the whole thing out in 90 days. Use this as a way to get local orders. You know, you've got a party that's $150. I can't even think. Like $150, and you're like, man, I really want to close this out. Yo, I'm getting ready to put in a shipping to me order. Let me know if you need anything if you're local. And then that's how you can go ahead and maybe grab a few extra orders. You could totally put that. Do not put I have a free shipping order, because not everybody can do that or offers that. So you would do, you would say, I have a local order going in, want to save on shipping, shout, and then you would talk to them in a personal message. So you could do something like that. And that would help you get to those rewards. It might help you get some orders, things like that. Some consultants do it where they're constantly like a schedule so that their customers know, like, I am putting in a shipping to me order the 1st and the 15th of every month or something like that, regardless if I have enough or not. As far as like 200, some consultants will do that. It's up to you. It's up to you however you want to do it, but always have a party in your name open. That's all you take from this. Have it open, your name, always, okay? If you have questions, let me know. Everybody should know how to open a party. If you don't know how to open a party, let me know. And I think that's it. So everybody have a great rest of your Monday. I'm going to fold the rest of these close, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.